Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is in regards to changing your own engine's oil at your own comfort. So the tools that we're going to be needing today is a 1/2 inch ratchet, a extension, and for this vehicle we're needing a 14mm socket, and purchase your engine oil, which is recommended by your manufacturer. For this vehicle, the oil we're needing is a 0W20 weight. And if you guys are curious and you're changing your oil for the first time, you can find the recommended engine oil on the engine cap on the left side there. Now we're also needing a funnel and an oil filter, and also to remove our oil filter we're needing a oil filter removal tool, which is right there, and I will put it in the description under this video as well. A jack and jack stands because we want to jack up the car on both sides evenly. And guys, I want to also mention you need a oil catch pan if you have a rag or some paper towel or whatever, because it may or may not get messy, so you want to be careful and have some paper towel and car jacked up on jack stands, and this will give us enough room to get underneath the vehicle and open our drain plug and oil filter. Just to mention, guys, when you're going to lay underneath your vehicle and if something spills, it will spill on the cardboard, so just have that in mind, guys. Now what you want to take down with you is your ratchet, your extension, your 14mm socket to open your drain plug, and you need your oil filter tool with you, and also take the oil pan. Alright guys, we're underneath the car, and on the left hand side you can see the oil pan. We're using a 14mm socket and a 1/2 inch ratchet to loosen this oil pan plug and have the oil drain into the oil pan, which I have beneath the oil pan. And on the right hand side is the oil filter, and I'm using the oil filter tool, which is required for this vehicle. And this hand loosening our oil filter here. So this is a look at our oil filter housing. Go ahead and just clean the inside of the housing with this rag I have. Alrighty, so that's out of the way, and now let's go ahead and open the drain plug here. Just want to make sure that the drain plug is aligned with your oil pan here, because you don't want a oil spill underneath your vehicle. It's gonna be messy. Hand loosen it so you have a little bit of control over the spillage into the oil pan. The alignment is perfect. The oil is being drained perfectly into our oil pan. So it's going to take a couple of minutes and it should be done. there you go, guys. We have our new oil filter seal installed where it's supposed to be perfectly, and we have our new oil filter from Quicker State. Now we're just going to go ahead and replace it back into the housing using our tool and our 3/4 ratchet. So I'm just tightening up our oil filter housing with the appropriate tool and the 3/4 inch ratchet, and just make sure it's nice and snug so we don't have any leaks. There you go, and remove the oil filter tool. Drain plug. Just want to hand tighten it first and then use your 14mm socket and a 1/2 inch ratchet.
For some reason, your baby falls asleep whenever ringtone plays on YouTube Music. Strange.
And make sure it's nice and snug. Alrighty, that's approximately 4.2 liters in our engine, and remove the funnel and replace the engine cap. And guys, we're done this oil change for this 2013 Toyota Prius. So as you can see, changing the engine oil for a 2013 Toyota Prius is fairly similar to other vehicles, except this is a hybrid. So